At this year's Mobile World Congress, Nokia smartphones stole the show. Today, HMD Global unveiled 4 smartphones all at once: the Nokia 7 Plus, the Nokia 8 Sirocco, the Nokia 6 2018 edition, and the Nokia 1 in India. While the Nokia 7 Plus is my favorite device of the lot, the Nokia 8 Sirocco managed to distinguish itself with its super classy design. Hi, I'm Ershad from Mr. Phone, and here are my first impressions of the newly launched Nokia 8 Sirocco. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about more such kick-ass tech videos. The Sirocco edition of the Nokia 8 is quite a head-turner. Chiseled from a single block of stainless steel, the Nokia 8 Sirocco looks stunning, and I have no doubt about it. Some people might immediately draw comparisons to the Galaxy Note 8, but the Nokia 8 Sirocco is definitely much wider than the Samsung's flagship. In fact, unlike the Nokia 7 Plus, which has an 18:9 display, you get a 16:9 aspect ratio display on the Nokia 8 Sirocco. It is a crisp QHD resolution, 5.5-inch POLED display that just pops with rich colors. This display is a bomb, if I have to say so. Adding the curved edges to the equation, which Nokia calls 3D glass, just enhances the overall appeal of the phone. To be entirely honest, the edges will dig into your palm and it might be a bit of an irritant. Also, the wide body makes more of a case for 18:9 displays. The phone also comes with the new USB Type-C port at the bottom, which is good. But no 3.5mm jack is a bit of a downer. Everyone is kicked about the fact that Nokia is back with the Zeiss partnership. As per Nokia's famed legacy, the union should ideally mean superb cameras. However, on the contrary, the Nokia 8 wasn't the top of the league when it launched. I used the dual 12MP plus 13MP telephoto camera for a brief period, but that's definitely not enough to judge the capabilities of the phone. I do like the fact that Nokia's famed Pro mode is back, and let's not forget the presence of the weirdly named Bothi feature. In any case, I'm attaching some samples for you to see, but it is definitely not enough to judge the camera of the phone in its entirety. One of the best Nokia announcements from MWC was the fact that all Nokia phones, Nokia 6 and above, will run on the extremely efficient Android One platform. The coolest thing about Android One is that there is no bloatware at all and it runs very smoothly. I had some time to spend with the phones at the India launch and boy, it runs faster what. Trust me, you're going to love the experience. I know this is a little premature, but as far as performance is concerned, you shouldn't face an issue. The Nokia 8's only flaw is the fact that it comes with a Snapdragon 835 SoC. I know it is a powerful chip, but in 2018, it is definitely dated. The asking price of around Rs 50,000 really doesn't warrant anything less than a Snapdragon 845 in my opinion. The Nokia 8 Sirocco also comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which should suffice for most people. Considering the original Nokia 8's battery life was so good, I can't wait to test out the results on the Sirocco edition's integrated 3260 mAh battery. For what it's worth, it also comes with wireless charging. Just for my knowledge, can you guys tell me if you actually use wireless chargers? I'm going to put a poll up there. So finally, the Nokia 8 Sirocco looks and feels very premium. It is not easy making such a product and requires intense R&D to bring out this level of precision. However, I don't know how many people are actually willing to throw this kind of dough at a Nokia phone in 2018. That too with last year's Snapdragon 835 SoC. Like it or not, India is a very specs-hungry market. Hope you liked our first impressions of the Nokia 8 Sirocco edition. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about more such awesome tech content.